Alright guys, back at it again. Today I found a 2020 NFL Mosaic blaster at Target. Retails for $19.99. These are what you can get from these blasters: retail exclusive autographs and scripts and rookie script, blaster exclusive Mosaic orange for inset, parallels, and I think you get 8 packs per box, and you get 4 cards per pack. Got Mr. Patrick Mahomes in the front, and these are all the odds. And you guys are interested, but yeah, let's get into it and see what we get. Hopefully you guys are doing good today. You know, hopefully you guys found some stuff that you guys been looking for. This is my first time actually opening a Mosaic for NFL, I guess. Or this is the first time they came out anyways. But these are pretty super hard to get if you're not lucky. I got one of these security thing. But yeah guys, this is freaking awesome. Let's get into it. Let's see what we can get. And you guys can see back there, I was able to pull a paint Joe Burrow and got a pretty nice canvas Jalen Hurts. Not bad, yeah. But yeah, let's get it. First pack, we're gonna get Devontae Adams. These are notorious for scratches, I heard, which I don't disagree, because I had got some NBA and Mosaic, and I agree with that for sure. Pro Bowl Michael Thomas, and old school of Roger Staubach. I'm gonna sleeve these. I'm probably gonna sleeve all these cards only because this is the first year of Mosaic. So who knows what these would be in the future. Just gonna sleeve all these up right now. Save me some time later. Freaking cool, man. There was only 4 blasters and there's 4 of us, so we all had to split it 1 each, which is fine. Can't complain. Was still able to grab some, you know. Not the end of the world. Oh, we got a green. We got a green in this pack. This box again. It says. Get that parallel. Khalil Mack, Alvin Kamara. We got Denzel Mims, and our green is it a rookie? Oh, Jalen Reagor. Oh, nice. We got one of these kids reported. Damn, nice. Jalen Reagor. Nice, nice, nice. Jalen Reagor. Not bad. Not bad. I'm hoping I get like Joe Burrow or Tua. Joe Burrow or Tua. That would be super awesome too. How you guys liking the NFL season so far? Pretty unfortunate. A lot of people got hurt, huh? That sucks. That sucks how that happened. Let's see what we get. Let's see what we get. Oh, we got a silver coming up. We got Gardner Minshew. We can get a stained glass out of this, huh? Gardner Minshew. Josh Allen. Wow, back to back. Debut of Henry Ruggs. Nice. And I think this is a silver. It says Prism. Damn, this better not be our only silver. A flea flicker of Juju, Jerome Bettis, and Terry Bradshaw. Terry Bradshaw. Not bad, not bad. Not bad, not bad. We got a Henry Ruggs though. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Myles Garrett. Carson Wentz. Man, this guy need to do better in fantasy. Oh, we got a Chase Claypool. That's not a rookie. DJ Chark. Not bad. Kids report. So I'm assuming that the blasters are green. Those are the parallels you get from the blasters. I don't know if there's gonna be fat packs or hangers of these. Hopefully they come out with it, but I don't think so, from what I have heard. Not bad. Chase Claypool. Chase freaking Claypool. Chase freaking Claypool. Bad. All right, let's get that's 400. Let's get to our 5th pack. Not bad. Red. Is that a red? Or what the heck is that? Jordan Hicks. There's that a big old scratch over DK Metcalf. MVP Lamar Jackson. And we got touchdown master Ladainium Tomlinson. Not bad. Got one of these. Got an MVP, Mr. MVP, Lamar Jackson. Lamar Jackson. I think that might be your only silver. I think you only get one silver, I'm assuming. Lamar Jackson. Not bad. Let's see our 6th pack. Let's see what we can get. You guys are able to find this. It should be pretty exciting, but nowadays with all the flippers, it might be hard to come across a lot of products. A lot of people are just buying these and flipping off like ridiculous price on the market, like 3x the price. It's ridiculous, dude. Philip Lindsay, Devin McCourty, usually this is rookie if I'm correct. Yep, DeAndre Swift, nice. And do we get another rookie here? Nope. Dak Prescott. Okay. Not bad. Damn, I'm hoping for I want a Barrow or a Toa, dude. Come on, man. Give me one of these. Give me one of these. Give me one of these. The cards are pretty nice. I don't really see anything wrong with them. Swift. All right, 2 more packs. Come on, man. Stained glass. I'd be super happy if there's a stained glass in here. I'd be stoked. I think we got a silver. Oh, yeah, we did. Hopefully that's a rookie. Devin Singletary. Oh, my God. Look at this dimple right here. Jordan Love. Okay. I think it looks like an insert. Nope. Cam Chancellor. What the heck? That's crazy. How's he even still in the pack? I don't understand that. But whatever. Can't complain. We got Jordan Love though. NFL debut. Thank God it was that McLaurin that got messed up. Alright, last pack mojo. Last pack mojo. What are we getting? What are we getting? It's a green. Boomer Light Elijah Sandano trash. Brandon Ayuk, baby. And our green is it a rookie? Nope. Damn, we got 2 Jaguars. We got one of those. Got a Brandon Ayuk. I'm pretty happy. Oh, it has something right there. I'm a huge Niners fan, so I'll take it. I will take it. I will take it. Well, yeah, guys. It wasn't all that. The blasters. I had watched some videos and I saw people's, pack opening. They didn't have the best cards and stuff too. You know. I wish my silver one was pretty nice. But whatever. Let's go through hits. Our greens were Jalen Reagor, rookie card, Josh Allen, Dat, and DJ Chark. Our rookie cards were Brandon Ayuk, Jordan Love NFL debut, DeAndre Swift, Chase Claypool, and an NFL debut of Henry Ruggs. Another rookie card was this guy right here, Denzel Mims. We also got an MVP of Lamar Jackson. We got a Pro Bowl, Michael Thomas. Old school. But yeah, guys, overall, it wasn't all that. I didn't show this. We got a silver Cam Chancellor. One of these insert for LaDainian Thompson, and the silver of this flea flicker card of Pittsburgh Steelers. But yeah, hopefully you guys are able to come across this product. It's gonna be super hot, super hard to find, and hopefully you guys find some luck and find some, and wish you guys the best in your pack opening. All right, peace guys, see you guys next time.